How much does commercial CCTV installation cost? A commercial CCTV install typically runs $700 to $1,500 per standard camera installed. Full projects range from $2,800 for a small business to $50,000 or more for a large campus. But what does installed actually buy? That per camera price isn't the camera, it's the whole job wearing one number. The camera itself, mounting, cabling, software integration, and the labor. Labor alone typically runs $100 to $200 per camera in most markets. A slice of the price, not the price. From there, your total is mostly multiplication. Count your cameras. 4 to 6 cameras usually lands between $2,800 and $10,000. 8 to 16 runs $10,000 to $25,000. Past 16 cameras, plan on $25,000 to $50,000 or more. Same math, bigger building. Here's the number worth remembering. A 4-camera wired commercial system typically runs $2,800 to $6,000 installed. That's the sanity check for your first quote. One catch. The per camera price doesn't cover everything. Project costs sit on top. Network upgrades can add $500 to $3,000 or more. Storage has its own line. And hard-to-reach mounting spots can add $50 to $200 per camera. So get at least 3 quotes. Ask each installer what's excluded. So, one installed price per camera times your camera count, plus the project costs around it. Now the quote is something you can check. Safe and Sound Security designs and installs commercial and government security systems nationwide. Over 19 years, more than 20,000 locations protected. Want an exact number for your building? Run the cost calculator on our pricing guide. Link below.